Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. This video I'll talk about some brand new AI based tools released by Canva called Magic tools. Currently, I have a free account and looks like they've given it for free for now to test it out. I don't think it'll be free once everything is in place, but right now it's available. So I'm going to use a couple of tools to create some magnificent presentations. So I'm creating this magic presentation. I'm going to give, it's going to ask for a 5 or more words sentence. I'm going to say impact of AI and robotics on manufacturing. So it's creating the presentation based on that sentence or phrase. So it's created 8 presentations for me. Let's take a look at some of each of the presentations and see what's best for my what would be suitable for my to complete the presentation. So if you look at it, a lot of these presentations don't have pictures. It has a couple of pictures in one of the ones I like. So maybe I need to do a little more and just directly use this presentation. I like the last 8th one at the bottom there. So I'm going to try to use that and build on that. But it's given a lot of information for AI and robotics for manufacturing. All the content is there, but I need to probably build. So I say create presentation. It's created the presentation for me for that particular set of slides I accepted. So now if you see, except for the first and the 5th slide, which has pictures of a phone, it doesn't have pictures. I want to add more pictures so that it's there's more visible information displayed along with the text. So I'm sure those 2 phone pictures are like only for pro or the people who have subscribed with a paid subscription. But let's see, I'm going to start building. So there's one more tool which is they enabled try out. So it's images to text. Text to image. So this is similar to any AI art generation. So let me try. I'm going to try robots working on machines. So it's going to create by default 4 pictures. So this looks good. I want to probably use all of them in my presentation. So let's see. So I'm going to use the first one there and plug it into the one of the slides. I can move around the text it had previously and make sure the image is set up in such a way that the presentation looks good. So I'm going to move around this. Once I finish this, I'm going to fast forward the rest of the things because I'm going to do similar stuff for the other things. And I'm also going to create some robot pictures back to that tool. So I'm fast forwarding all these steps because this is a tedious set of steps to complete the process. It took me total about 15 to 18 minutes to complete my presentation with all the customization of my new pictures I added. And when I tried to download, it gave me, it said there are a couple of images which are premium. I cannot use it. So I had to go back and remove those pictures. So here's my final product. I downloaded as a video. So if you see, it's amazing product. It has all the information. Now, in the next video, I will try to add my voice to read the content of this and try to blend it and see if I can use any other tool in Canva, in the Magic tools, to be able to sync my talk with each slide and be in like when I'm reading a slide, it should complete that and then move to the next one. Hope this helps you. Please try it out. It's a fun type of tools. How long it's going to be free, I don't know. So enjoy using it and talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.